Keeway is becoming popular for advanced tech motorcycles, but at a low price. They deliver better configuration, stylish look, excellent engine performance in their bikes. Keeway RKF 125 gets the same qualities. This bike could be compared with Duke 125. Naked street fighter style, with fully digital instrumentation makes this bike unique. The RKF consists of 125cc, single-cylinder, 4-stroke, double spark plug, water-cooled, electronic fuel injection engine, which can generate 12.1 bhp at 9,500 rpm maximum power, and 10 Nm at 7,500 rpm peak power. 6-speed gearbox will provide the better performance of transmission. This two-wheeler can deliver good acceleration, and can hit its top speed of 120 km/h at a glance. Electric injection and double spark plug will give an excellent feeling on the road. Approximate price of this bike in international market, 2.3 lakh rupees. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.